Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Is it a medical or administrative issue that's causing problems at Cross Keys High in Manchester? The principal and some teachers disagree on the matter, even as there's uncertainty about when school will resume after the Health Ministry ordered it closed on Friday. TVJ's KRISTA Campbell has details.
Forced out of their classrooms. This has been the new teaching-learning environment at the Cross Keys High School in Manchester since Thursday. Teachers blame it on a seasonal problem.
When we left in the afternoons, they enter the staff room and they have a feast in the staff room, and then by morning they come back and they hide in this luscious vegetation behind us.
Grass almost as tall as senior teacher Jerry Griffiths that's believed to be breeding ground for rats. Principal Ralph Nelson says he's also directly affected.
Anytime the rain season is coming on, or we're going to get a system, we have the rats coming out of the bushes and coming into staff room and into rooms, even in my office here.
It has reached a stage where rats are now jumping out at you on your desk, and we think that is intolerable. There's a teacher with her papers that were marked to be delivered to the children the next morning. All the grades were eaten off.
So frustrated, the teachers staged a two-day sit-in from Thursday to get the attention of the school administration to urgently address the matter once and for all. On Friday, an inspection from the Education and Health Ministries, following which food items from the canteen were ordered dumped and the school closed until Tuesday. Other public health officials are expected to be at the school on Monday. But the principal insists the school has its own eradication program, including blocks issued to teachers to get rid of rats from the classrooms.
That block is placed on a book that the teacher and the students are handling. That is great cause for concern, because that is poisonous.
Because I know that rats can come in over the weekend. I use my spray, I use my shower, I help myself. The teachers flatly turn down the issuing of chamois or the spray because they're concerned with who will wash the chamois when it is dirty.
Because most of the times when I observe teachers cleaning, they're using their naked hands with just some hand towels to clean. And as I say, anywhere rats defecate, they also urinate. And many times the leptospira would have been in the urine and it can go through your hand and enter through your pores.
The principal says he's also taken measures to block the entry points in all the rooms where it's felt the rats gain access inside the school. But he believes it's a recent policy change on tissues and hand towels that has some of the teachers so upset.
Each teacher get their tissue for the month. And on the condition that as long as it is being used, they can get a replacement anytime.
He says the move was taken to stop the wanton misuse of the toiletries. KRISTA Campbell, TVJ News.